Blessed up, blessed down on Mastermind Statements. Today, I'm going to talk to you about my 7-step blueprint to manifestation. Make sure you go down and check out the show notes and check that link out. This is a free download of my 7-step manifestation blueprint, but I'm only going to talk about a specific page. But while I'm getting that ready, make sure that you are commenting, liking, subscribing, hit the notification bell. And again, go check out the show notes down below for this free 7-step manifestation blueprint. I'm going to talk about desire when it comes to manifestation. Talk about desire. I have a specific page in which is a page that can be filled out, right? Check that out. You want to get that page right here. You want to write out what you desire. So sometimes it's better to start writing it out so that your subconscious mind starts to be programmed towards what you want to actually manifest. If you're not yet a person that can think about it and manifest it, start by writing it out. So first write out, I desire. Get a notebook, paper, or like I said, if you're downloading it, you're going to get this. Write that out. I desire, let's use a simple example. I desire a job. I desire a car. Write that out. This will happen by this date. So you need to have a predetermined date in which what you desire is going to manifest. Right? Make sure that you have a date in mind. Now make it a realistic date. Don't say by the end of this week, 2 weeks, unless you know for a fact you have that much confidence and that much faith that things are going to turn around that quickly that you'll have that. If you believe that, go for it. I'm not going to stop you. The next line is, I know I have a burning desire because. You need to have a burning desire towards what you want. It should be a burning desire. If you just have a simple desire, I want to have this or I want to have that, it's a simple desire. More than likely, such a simple desire, you're more than likely not going to have it manifest for you. But it should be a burning desire. It should be something that you just have constantly on your mind. It's constantly on your thought. You're always thinking about it. When that occurs, you're more than likely to start making steps towards your desire subconsciously will start to manifest in the 3D world, which also tap in with the 5D world, the spiritual world. It's going to start to manifest for you, but you need to have that burning desire for it to happen. So again, I desire this will happen by this date, and I know I have a burning desire because oftentimes people want something, but they don't have a burning desire because attached to it that is something that is legitimate or something that is going to be a benefit to themselves and others. It's just a greedy desire that they have, and so it doesn't happen. If you have a family or a household or you're working on your future, you should attach your burning desire because to that. I know I have a burning desire because I need to take care of this for my family so that this can take care of itself. Those are the steps to make things happen. The next step, I am thankful that. So this is where gratitude comes into play. You should have a gratitude statement that goes along with your desire. I am thankful that I have a job now. I am thankful that I have a car now. When you say now is indicating that it's going to be happening at this time in the spiritual world, and it may show up quickly in the 3D world. You might get a car, you never know what happened. You might have something next week, you might have something in 2 weeks because you're saying now. Bless up, family. I remember manifesting a broken foot as a kid. It was the first thing I remember manifesting, just thinking about it. I wanted it so bad. I seen other kids at school with the broken foot. I started imagining myself with that cast, and I wanted to cast so bad that I end up manifesting a broken foot. Let me explain something to you. You can manifest good things, you can manifest bad things, you can manifest adverse things, and manifest great things. It's the same type of formula that works no matter what. Whatever you want to manifest, you can manifest it. It doesn't take forever. I know some of y'all are tired of praying and it's just not being answered. It's taking forever. Some of y'all write stuff down as affirmations, doing vision boards, and it's just taking forever. Let me explain something to you. I have a 7-step manifestation blueprint guide. I should charge for it, but it is free. Make sure you go down to the show notes, click that link, and download it ASAP. Go down to the show notes and click that link ASAP to download it. You could also go to the mindsetblueprint.com/blueprint. Again, that is the mindsetblueprint.com/blueprint. I want everybody to win, because guess what? I now know how to manifest in seconds to days to minutes to hours quickly. It doesn't take long at all. I got a 7-step blueprint that you guys will all benefit from. Make sure you go down and download it right now. Keep winning. This is also important and key to visualize and activate your 5 senses. I visualize and I activate my 5 senses. Again, this is coming from my 7-step blueprint on manifestation. Go into the show notes and make sure that you download it. It is free. I see, I hear, I feel, I smell, I taste. You have to fill those in with your desire. I always go with the car. Cars is something that people relate to. I see the leather in the interior of the car. I see the wood grain. I see the leather on the steering wheel. I see the glossy paint. I hear nothing because I'm in a luxury car, but I hear the Bose sound system. I feel the leather in the car. I feel the smoothness of the ride. I feel the gliding tires. The tires are just luxurious. I smell the leather in the car. I smell the new car scent. Okay? You gotta engage those 5 senses. It even has I taste. You know, if that leather is real strong, you can taste the leather. You know, it's not like you're gonna go lick the leather, but you taste the leather, right? Something else. After you activate those 5 senses, because the 5 senses are so important to manifesting your desire. Because you have to feel as if you already have it, and then be thankful, like I said, as if you already have it as well. Never judge the circumstance nor complain about it. The more you complain about not having a car, the more you complain about not having a job, the more you're going to continue to send out to your own subconscious mind and to the spiritual world that you don't need to have those things, because you're complaining about it versus being thankful about it. So make sure that you fill out this line too. It says, I never judge the circumstance nor complain about. So for this instance, I'm not complaining about not having a car. I'm not complaining about not having a job. I'm just being thankful about having a job. I never beg for a car nor beg for a job. I command that I have a job now. I command that I have a car now. I get to work counting back from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this line is important too, because you've got to understand that you can sit here and think about having a car, doing certain things about it, think about having a job. But the ancient scripture says faith without works is dead. You need to be doing something actively towards seeking what you desire. You got to think about that. You have to do something. You just can't sit here and just think it's going to be magic. If you're just sitting around and not doing anything, not taking any action, you're hurting yourself, because you can do everything all in front of here, but just sitting around for certain things that you're trying to manifest, not going to work. You've got to do some work, do something behind it. Nobody's going to come and just give you something. Nobody just gives anybody anything for free. It has to be work. You have to work at something. That's one of the biggest things that people do when it comes to manifestation. They think that it's just going to mysteriously appear. Well, you've got to do some things to show forth that you want to get a car. You should be saving money. If you're not saving money, if you have money, if you have to manifest money to get a car, that's 2 different things. So 2 different conversations, but you need to actively be doing something. It says lastly, I step out of my comfort zone and exercise faith by. Now, this is something that I personally do myself when it comes time to manifest something. Let's say, for instance, you were looking to buy a used car, because all cars don't have to be new. If you go listen to my brother Anthony O'Neill, he says that, you should buy a car that's like 3 to 5 years old. Buying a brand new car, you must be a serious tax bracket, because buying a brand new car, you could be investing that money that you're spending on a brand new car. You buy a brand new car, take it off the lot. What ends up happening is it starts to depreciate. What you got to understand is that after you do all of these steps right here, now this is not the 7-step process. This was actually a bonus page, right? Which will get you ahead of the game too. What you want to do is, if you're desiring a car, you have to go and, let's say, purchase something that you're going to be putting in your car, purchase something that you're going to be putting on your car, something associated with your car ahead of time. Purchase that as if you already have the car. When you see that thing every single day, you're going to feel as if you already have the car, and you will begin to manifest and work towards getting things in order to get that car subconsciously. You got to try it out. Get on eBay, get on Amazon, go to AutoZone, whatever you buy, wherever you buy things for cars, and go take care of that. You might want to change out the sound system that's in the current car that you want. So go buy a sound system. It might cost you $200-$300, but that's an act of faith, indicating to your subconscious mind and to the spiritual world that you actually do want to get that car. That's called faith. Again, get down into the show notes, download the 7-step manifestation blueprint. Check that out. Go download it. And as always, make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And again, this is Thanksgiving time. Spiritual Thanksgiving. We exchange food. Exchange food down in the comments. I'm giving you food. Spiritual Thanksgiving. Again, bless up, bless down on Mastermind statements. Fly a kite, be free, and keep winning.